I apologize. My camera battery died. I really intended for this to be one video, but the camera battery doesn't lie. So what we're doing right now is we're calculating y minus y bar squared for the calculation of the variance formula. So right now we're on negative 0.84 squared, which gives us 0.71. Alright, now we're going to move on to 0.16 squared, which gives us 0.03. Now 1.16 squared, that's going to give us 1.35. 2.16 squared will give us 4.67. 3.16 squared gives us 9.99. 4.16 squared gives us 17.31. 5.16 squared gives us 26.63. 10.16 squared gives us 103.23. And 18.16 squared gives us 329.79. Okay, so you might be thinking, alright, we have our y minus y bar squared column. Now all we have to do is add this up. You would be right if this wasn't a frequency distribution. But because this is a frequency distribution, we need to take into account the frequencies of each of these differences. Because what this column is telling us is how far away one score of 0 partners is from the mean, not how far all 43 scores are. So to calculate how far all 43 scores are, we need to create one more column. Okay, and that's going to be y minus y bar squared times the frequency. Okay, that doesn't look like frequency, but it means frequency. So to do that now, we're going to take our values, first starting with 8.07, and we're going to multiply it by the frequency, which is 43. That's going to give us a value here of 347.01. Now we're going to keep going. 3.39 times 66 is 223.74. Okay, 0.71 now times 104 is 73.84. Okay, 0.03 times 53 is 1.59. Okay, 1.35 times 47 is 63.45. 4.67 times 60 is 280.2. 9.99 times 4 is 39.96. 17.31 times 13 is 225.03. Okay, 26.63 times 8 is 213.04. And each of these only happens once, so it's the same number. 103.23 and 329.79. So now that we've accounted for the frequency of each of these differences, we can add these numbers up in the y minus y bar squared times frequency column. So let's go ahead and do that. 347.01, 223.74, 73.84, 1.59, 63.45, 28.02, 39.96, 225.03, 213.04, 103.23, and 329.79. So that gives us a total here of 1,648.7. This number that you find here in the y minus y bar squared times frequency column for the total is the sum of y minus y bar squared, right? And so this number is the whole top part of the variance formula. So let's go ahead and plug that number in, 1,648.7. Our n is 400, so 400 minus 1 is 399. Okay, so 1,648.7 divided by 399 is 4.13. Okay, so that is our variance. To find our standard deviation, all we need to do is take the square root of 4.13. And that's going to give us square root 4.13, a standard deviation of 2.03. So here we have our variance and our standard deviation. And what those tell you is, on average, how far is a normal person's response from the mean of 2.84 partners. So if you are within 2 partners of the mean, which is 2.84, then you are within 1 standard deviation of the mean, and you are very normal, right? 68% of the data is going to be within 2.03 partners from the mean of 2.84. So that's working through variance and standard deviation when you have a frequency distribution. I hope this was helpful. Good luck practicing.